Okay, believe it or not, when I got up on this turd rock, it turned out to be a lot wider than it looked like from my perspective originally, and it actually has two windows cut in it at this base, or near its base. There's another one here. It's kind of cool. Let's get a little perspective of the ocean rolling through. There's actually a seagull roosting on the very tip top of this thing. And I'm going to back up so get a perspective. Maybe a little bit of, there's the top, somewhere up there. See? Look at that. The seagull can't see me from here, I guess, but there you go. You can kind of see what turd rock looks like. Oh shit! Here comes the water. Yeah! I don't know if you can hear that sound or not, but it's the sound of little rocks clattering together. Okay.